I'm Shelly Turner with the Builderall team. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update an email sequence and an email campaign. As you can see, I'm logged into the Mailing Boss dashboard, and I'm going to go to Campaigns and Email Sequence. This is a list of all of my sequences that I have inside Mailing Boss. And from here, I can choose any one of these sequences, and whichever one I choose, I'm going to use the first one on my list. I'm going to go all the way to the right-hand side, and I'm going to choose the icon that indicates Update. When I click that, it's going to take me into the settings where I can make changes to my email sequence. Now let's go into Campaigns again and Email Sequence, and I'm going to click the blue button where it says Manage Campaigns. And from here, I can choose any campaign that I want. I'm going to choose the second one, and I'm going to scroll all the way to the right. Before you can update an email campaign, you need to make sure that that campaign is paused. So down here where it says Shelly's template email, you can see that it is currently active because the pause button is there. So before I can update it, I would need to click the pause button, and then I could do an update. This second email is currently paused, so I have the update icon available. So I'll just click the update icon, and from here I can update any information I want to in the email campaign. So that's how you access your email sequence and email campaign to be able to update the information in Mailing Boss.